Welcome to Mora IFC. It is what it is. This is the fastest and easiest way how to fix your zip without replacing a new one. You're going to fix your zip very fast and easiest way without replacing a new one. Do you understand? It is what you can do this. You can even do this just in less than 1 minute, just 1 minute. But I'm going to break it down the easiest and the fastest way. So if you look at your zipper, the head of the zipper or the slider of the zipper, you can see that one side is open than the other side. That's why the zip has come out. So you're gonna try and fix it this way. If you try putting this way and it's not going inside, the teeth is not going inside the slider, there's a two ways to handle this part. It's either you get your blade, don't come to this side because this side is okay, the slider side is okay. It's only this part that has open. One side you can see that it has open, so we don't touch this part. You come to this part, then you're gonna open at this part. It's either you open here or you open this part. And also there's a way also. You can either stop this part without cutting this part. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can stop that and come to this bottom. Then you cut this the teeth of the zipper. You cut that part. Then you're going to put the slider there. But because I have my machine, I'm going to go by this way, and I'm going to open this side. Then I'll take this part off. You can see at the tip of the zipper, you can see the top stopper. There's a certain metal over there. They call it the top stopper. It stops the slider by going out. So you're going to take one side off. Stop the head of the teeth for going out. So you're going to take your pin, then you take that one off. Like I said, there are two ways to go by it. You can go by this way, or you can come at the bottom of the zipper, then use your blade, then you cut, then you put the head of the zipper inside. After that, you just have your pin and the needle, and your needle and your thread, then you sew that part to join together. But I prefer this way. So I'm trying to take the top stopper out of the zip. I'm trying to take it out. My hand was too sleepy. It was too sleepy, so it was taking time for me to take the top stopper from that part, from the zip. So you can see this metal is called top stopper, this small metal. So after that, I'm gonna put it inside like this, then I'm drag it. So when you put it this way, you're gonna see one will be longer than other one. You make sure you fix it. Look at the way I'm fixing it. You make sure you pull it. You can see that there's a bucket this side. You can see, you make sure you correct that part. You pull this one straight so that everything lay flat, the same thing. You can see everything level very fast. So you can see that the bottom, the zip, you can see the zip is not working. So we need to fix this one. So you gotta have your plier. If you have a ply, very simple and easy. You get your plier and come to the head of the zipper, the head or the slider of the zipper. You just have to grab that part a little bit, not too hard. Just give it, it's very sensitive, so you have to click on it very small. You make sure you click it very small, not too hard, then just a little bit of small. Then just try it and see if it will work for you. So I will see. So I'm trying to click on the slider. One is on the top, one is the bottom, so I'm just giving it a small clip. Just hold it down. You can even use your teeth to do that. Not too hard. You just have to do that. After that, you try. You can see I did, and still the zip is not working. Have you seen? So we're gonna try the same thing. We're gonna go by that place again. Get your plier, or you can use your teeth. Just grab that part, the head at that part that we fixed. Just have to press on it a little bit, not too much, just press on it a little bit. So I think this time that we got it. So you can see now the zip is working. You can see, so I can play around with it. Please don't do what I'm doing right now. If you do this one, you can even spoil your zip, I'm telling you. So I was just trying to show you that the zip has been fixed and everything is not going to spoil. You know, you can see how fixed the thing has been fixed. So I'm going to close it and open it. But there are two ways. Sometimes you can go by this way and still the zip is not going to work. I think that one will have to come on the next tutorial. Do you understand? So there are two ways. You can do this one and still the zip is not working. That's still spoil. And I'm going to use the other method. So let me play around. Let me play along a little bit here. You can see that I'm playing. But please don't do that. When you finish, don't go and be doing fast and forth with this one. You can spoil the zip. You know, you can spoil it. So after done, so you can see everything has been done. So if you're new to the channel, please do watch, subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Morai FC. It is well. So you can decide to put the top stopper there, or you can decide to throw it away. I'm going to throw it away. I don't need it because I'm going to sew at the top. We have one here. The one that we have other side is okay for me. So we have the other one over there. I'll just throw this one up. Then I'll go to the sewing machine. Then I'll close the top of it where I open. You can see everything worked perfectly. Nothing's going. There's no need to change in the new zipper. So if you try this one and still you're still not getting it, then you have to try another method, because there are two ways to deal with it. So I'm going to sew at the top stitch this top, then me out. You finished. Morai FC, it is what it is. I post videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. New tutorial every Wednesday and Saturday. Please do one. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Morai FC. Follow me on my Facebook, Morai FC. I have a WhatsApp group, you know. We do help each other a little bit, so you can join my WhatsApp group by following me on my Facebook. It's Morai FC, Morai FC, MURA FC. Then you're gonna see my WhatsApp line there. You connect up with me, you know. If you have a design, I can, you know, you can talk things out. Morai FC it is what it is. So we're done. Thank you for watching. Thank you. You can see we have not changed the design, the zip. We just fix our zip without replacing the new one. Me out. God bless you all. Thank you for my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my return subscribers. Thank you all so much, love. I love you all. Me out.